Stop guessing. Start scaling. The TikTok Ad Strategy Accelerator full walkthrough. If your TikTok ads are burning cash or stuck at learning, this video will change that. I'm breaking down the exact system I use to launch and scale campaigns, step by step, so you can stop guessing and start winning. Hey, it's Thomas. I help creators and businesses turn TikTok into a predictable traffic and sales machine. Today, I'm giving you a behind-the-scenes look at the TikTok Ad Strategy Accelerator. What's inside, who it's for, and 3 proven plays you can copy today. Stick around to the end for my 7-day launch checklist you can screenshot. The Accelerator is a practical training and toolkit for anyone who wants to run profitable TikTok ads. Coaches, e-com stores, course creators, affiliates. It's not theory. It's a follow-along system with templates, angles, and checklists so you can launch in hours, not weeks. Most people fail on TikTok ads because of 3 things: weak hooks, random targeting, no test plan, so they can't scale what works. The Accelerator fixes that with a hook bank, audience map, and a 3-phase testing framework that guides every decision. You'll get 30-plus plug-and-play hooks built around HSO, hook, story, offer. Example: I wasted $500 on TikTok ads until I tried this 15-second setup. We pair that with 5 quick formats: talking head, over the shoulder, duet, react, before after, and proof-driven. You film once, cut 5 ways. Start broad, then use the audience map. Interests, behaviors, creators your buyers follow. Layer with lookalikes once you have 50-plus conversions. The worksheet shows you exactly how to stack audiences without choking delivery. Phase 1, creative test, 3 to 5 hooks, same CTA. Phase 2, angle test, pain versus desire versus proof. Phase 3, budget lift plus horizontal scale. You'll use simple guardrails. Kill ads with less than 0.7% CTR after spend equals 1x target CPA. Scale winners by 20 to 30% daily or duplicate into fresh budgets. Inside the Accelerator, you'll find hook bank and script prompts to write 10 hooks in 10 minutes. Angle matrix, pain, desired outcome, objections, proof. Ad setup checklist, so you never miss a pixel or placement. Optimization flowchart for day 1, day 3, day 7 decisions. Retargeting recipe, 7-day engagers plus 14-day site visitors with 3 creative types: FAQ, social proof, and risk reversal. One client's CPA dropped from $41 to $21 in 9 days by swapping the hook to a pattern interrupt and aligning the first 2 seconds with the landing page headline. Same budget. Same offer. Different first 5 seconds. Common mistakes and AMP. Fixes mistake, launching with 1 creative. Fix, minimum 3 hooks per angle. Mistake, broad copy with generic CTA. Fix, specific next step, tap to copy my 15-second setup. Mistake, random optimizations. Fix, follow the phase plan and weekly review. If you want my exact templates and the 3-phase testing framework, join the TikTok Ad Strategy Accelerator. Link is in the description and pinned comment. You'll also get my 7-day launch checklist as a bonus. Day 1, pick angle, plus write 3 hooks. Day 2, film 5 shortcuts, 15 to 25s. Day 3, build campaign plus QA tracking. Day 4, launch $10 to $30 ad set. Day 5, kill losers, keep CTR or 1% day. 6, duplicate winners, test CTA day. 7, retargeting plus offer lift. Smash like if this helped, drop your niche below and I'll reply with a hook idea, and subscribe for weekly ad breakdowns. See you inside the Accelerator. Stop guessing. Start scaling. 3-phase testing framework. Hook bank plus angle matrix plus checklists. Bonus 7-day launch checklist. Link below.